I'm going to show you how to solder one of these Traxxas connectors. Using a jigs up here. Kind of pancake it in there. If you notice on the side right here, it says solder this side, wire side. There's like a line. You don't want to get any solder past that line. I'm going to do a little bit of tint. Just on the one side. I'm going to strip the wire down a little bit. The jig's up. It comes with one of these little wire holders. I'm going to use that to hold my wire. Put a little solder on it. Tint it up nice. You just want to get it on the one side. You don't want to pass that line. And also, you don't want it to be very tall because the wire needs to slide into the connector. I'm going to do the negative side the same way. Using some 1-up solder here. Just get a little bit of tint on there on the one side. A little bit of twist on my wire. Tinting all the way around. You can use the needle nose to hold the wire if you choose. The wire does get really hot. You gotta hold it there while it cures. Don't forget, these connectors are really hot, so this is black for negative, slides in the side here, like so. Then the red. I take a little flat end, and I kind of push it in. You'll hear or feel a little click. You can see on the other side, it's in. Voila.